Hello and welcome to Dentrix Does It. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Treatment Manager. One of the most powerful tools available in Dentrix is the Treatment Manager. You can use the Treatment Manager to generate a filtered list that includes patients with treatment plans, and since the Treatment Manager is an interactive list, you can work directly from the list to call patients, send email messages, generate quick letters and quick labels, make office journal notes, and access the treatment planner. To open the Treatment Manager, from the Appointment Book, click on the Treatment Manager button, or from the Options menu, choose the Treatment Manager. Next, specify filter criteria that make sense to your practice. For example, you might use this Treatment Manager to contact patients about scheduling their appointment before the end of the year. It would be a good idea then to find patients who are active patients, who have insurance, who have at least $100 of either primary or secondary insurance benefits remaining for the year, have a treatment plan that was worth at least a minimal amount, and that was diagnosed within the last year or another reasonable time period, and who are not either bad debt, payment plan, collection, or other such billing types. Do be careful about these filters, as in order to appear on this list, the patient must qualify for every criteria you set up here. So setting up too many criteria here may inadvertently leave patients out that you're expecting to be on the list. Once you've generated the Treatment Manager list, you can look at the information about each patient and decide if you want to contact them, and if so, how you want to do it. For example, choose More Information to see a list of the patient's contact information. Click on the email address to generate a new email. Then create an office journal entry to keep track of your contact and record your conversation with the patient. Right-click on the patient and select Hide Patient to hide them temporarily from this list after you've contacted them. Or use this if you already know the patient's situation and that they do not need another contact. Hiding a patient is only temporary. They will return if you regenerate the list or if you choose Refresh. You can generate a treatment plan reminder quick letter from the Treatment Manager that shows patients their treatment plan totals and remaining insurance benefits. With the patient selected in the Treatment Manager, open any of the toolbar buttons to access the patient information. To make reading and viewing the list easier, you can adjust the width of each individual column. At the right-hand side of the column header, click and then drag right or left. You can sort the list by any of the columns being displayed. Simply click the column heading. And a hidden secret, if you sort the column by the guarantor, Dentrix places all of the family members together in the list, and it alternates red and blue listings to separate one family from the next. You can schedule appointments easily from the Treatment Manager. Just double-click the patient. The appointment book opens, and the Family Appointment List dialog box appears. Then click Create New Appointment and begin scheduling the patient as you normally would. While the Treatment Manager is a great interactive tool to use on screen, at times it might be convenient to print the list. To print it, choose the Print menu and click Treatment Manager List. The message appears and asks if you'd also like to include the treatment plan procedures. Check the box if so, and then click Yes. Also, you can generate mailing labels for all patients who are displayed. From the Print menu, choose Mailing Labels, and then choose the number of columns you'd like to print. The Treatment Manager is an excellent resource to bring in revenue and fill holes in your schedule. And that's how Dentrix does it. For more tips and training, please visit the Online Resource Center.